laptop na setup to my dream PC. Mali ba? Hindi PC. PC! So today, after 3 laptop, ito na finally. Shift na tayo guys sa PC. Hey! Ready na ba kayo mga idol? My secret weapon. Hey! Hahanap tayo ng mga tape dyan guys. To those of you guys who don't know, I am not just the owner of Z Designs, but I am also the chief designer. So in a day, I create about 10 to 12 designs, and that requires a lot of RAM and processing power. When we speak of creative works, we're not talking just about designing. Nag-video edit din ako, and sometimes I do some 3D stuff. Going for a PC is not a bad decision, I think. Let's begin with my CPU, and this is the Ryzen 9 5900X, and this is one hell of a beast. Alam niyo bakit? Because it has 12 cores and 24 threads. It has base speed of 3.7 gigahertz and boost up to 4.8 gigahertz. And if I want the silicon battery, who knows? I may overclock this and reach up to 5 gigahertz. Unbox na natin yan. Alam niyo ba Ryzen yan? Kasi it's a ZamyNoysh. Next, this is the motherboard, and this is a very special one. This is the ROG X570i gaming motherboard. And yes, I stands for ITX. That's right guys, I'm building an ITX CPU, and it's gonna be a small but powerful one. Let's open the box. Let's open the box. Boom! Kita nyo guys gaano kaliit yan. So here, I happen to also have an ROG phone. Kita nyo. Kasing laki lang na phone ko guys. Woo! Look at how small is that. Look guys. Look. Iba talaga mag-branding pag ROG. Solid talaga. Look at those. Look at the small details they put into this thing. Let me show you the ports, and let's be super careful because it is electronics and super sensitive. So we have here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, which is full of USB ports. WLAN, it has a built-in Wi-Fi, and here's the C, another USB port, HDMI, and the display port. So it has also a cute feature here. It has a really cutie small fan right there to cool up the VRMs. It has its own RGB lighting here sa logo na yan. At meron din dito sa side. It has 2 slots for RAM. It has a slot for video card PCIe. And also dito, dyan nilalagay SSD and 1 more sa likuran. So it's really small but really powerful, I'm telling you guys. Next, we have here the RAM, and it's the Trident Z Neo. At alam niyo nang bakit ko to pinili guys. So, ito na nga yung RAM. These are 2 sticks of 16 gigabytes DDR4 with speeds of 3200 megahertz CL16. At pinagsama mo yan, it's already 32 gigabytes. And I think that would be already enough for my hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of Google Chrome tabs. Ito guys, ano yan? RGB yan. Tulad nga ng nasa box. Because I love colors. I really love colors everywhere. And so, yeah, I opted for this. The G-Skill Trident Z Neo. Now we have here the SSD 980 of Samsung, and I've chosen this brand because of all my laptops before, I've been using the same Samsung and it never ever failed me. But this time around guys, I'm opting for the 1 terabyte of SSD. Like, wow! This has a speed of 3,500 megabytes per second reading speed. So let's see. Let's open it up guys. So, ganyan siya liit. Ganyan lang siya kalit, guys. But this, the power of SSD with the speeds and everything, guys, it will change your life and your experience and performance of your PC. And one benefit that I get from this SSD, guys, is yung pag-load ng games ko, guys. Lalo na pag Assassin's Creed. Siguro ang bilis nito, guys. Pag pindot mo open agad. 1 terabyte yan eh. Natry ko naman sa iba. Oh, talaga bumilis. But 1 terabyte? Let's proceed to the CPU cooler, and this is the IS60 Evo from ID Cooling, and this I've opted for a low profile cooler. And you might be asking, but hindi ako nag-liquid cooling or hindi ako nag-AIO, and later on you will understand when I will be showing you my CPU case. So ito siya, guys. So this cooler has 2 fans. This is 120mm, and under the 6 pipes is another fan which is 92mm, and both are PWM fans, so which means we can control them. At syempre RGB to, guys. Nasa box din yan. I have here a really powerful CPU, and I'm knowledgeable that my cooler may not be enough to cool down this powerful beast, but thankfully though, AMD will allow me to undervolt or underclock the speeds of my CPU para kayanin ng cooler natin, guys, and that way we'll avoid throttling. I'm really excited for this one. The video card! Guys, in the world of miners nowadays, sobrang nagmahal ang mga video cards. So we figured this Zotac GeForce RTX 3060 Ti Twin Edge is the bang for the buck. It already has 8GB of GDDR6 RAM. It's also already overclocked, and it's light hash rate. So andito yan sa gilid, guys. So goodbye na po sa mga miners. This video card already has the NVIDIA Ampere architecture, which is the latest one, and it's already capable of ray tracing. So guys, pag naglaro ako ng Cyberpunk, ng Watch Dogs Legion, Control, or any other latest games, everything, the shadows and the lightings will be more realistic, and hence it will be more immersive thanks to GeForce RTX. And also, this is already capable of DLSS. So alam niyo na susunod, guys. Unbox! Ito na nga siya, guys. Hey! Zotac! Z-zones! Woo! This video card requires 8-pin power connector, and it has here 3 display ports, and in my case, guys, with my very ZamyNoysh Samsung Odyssey monitor. So ito, 3 guys, diba? I only need 1. Noysh! So another feature that I like is the backplate that they did here. I really like it because it protects the PCBI. And siguro naman safe na to mula sa ihi ng daga. This is my PSU, the SF750 from Corsair. So this is an SFX form factor. Hindi siya katulad ng regular na ATX because this is way smaller than the regular size. One more thing that I really loved about this is that this is 80 plus platinum certified. Guys, meron tayong bronze, meron tayong silver, gold, and this is by far the highest, the platinum, in terms of efficiency. One more factor that I really loved about this is that it's an ultra low noise. It has this ultra low noise feature, which is perfect when I'm designing because sometimes I really love the silence as well. So let's open it. May supot pa to, guys. Parang sa lahat ito lang yung may supot, ah. Mabigat siya, guys. Mabigat. Liit talaga nito. Guys, look at this size. Look. Kita nyo gaano kaliit yan. PSU yan. Kita nyo. Another thing pala guys, if you notice dito sa box, nakahiwa-hiwala yung mga cords. Ayan. Hiwa-hiwalay yan. So, unlike sa regular na PSUs, nakakabit na lahat. But you have to take note that this PSU is a modular PSU, which means I can only connect what I need and remove what I don't need. Late talaga. So guys, this is now my CPU case. And I know guys, it looks unusual. Yes, I know. But this is the Novellus Tech, an ITX case. It was initially a Kickstarter campaign and I was one of the backers and it became successful. So they shipped this to us all the way from Hong Kong. And this is the very reason why we have chosen some of our parts here, like the ROG motherboard for ITX, like this PSU, which is specifically made for ITX, and also this low profile fan. And later on, makikita nyo guys why. And of course, ito din, like our video card, it is small, it only uses 2 slots, and this is specifically because of this. So, shall we? Ta-da-da! That's just one layer, and another layer. And another, and there you go. So, assemblein muna natin guys. Let's go. So, una, ilalagay muna natin tong spine niya. So, ayan guys, na-build na natin yung front face, yung spine, and yung back face niya. Ngayon, ilalagay na natin tong base. So, ayan. So, mamaya itutornilyo natin yan. At meron tong filter guys. Magnetic siya. So, ayan. At ngayon, ibakapit na natin yung sides. Ayan, kita yan. Magnet yarn. So, pag kinabit, ganyan lang siya. Magnet ulit. Huling-huli, oh, cutie! Ito yung CPU na kaya mong dalhin kung saan. Just can bring it with you. See? And there is a special feature that I want to show you guys. And it's the option of changing the sides into glass. Guys, lagyan natin yung sapatos niya. It only takes 8 screws to put this all together. Though it can be see-through because it may showcase, I may now showcase the workings, inner workings. But the only downside is the airflow. It will be more limited than usual. Kasi syempre glass na siya. You know, the regular option has holes on it. Will allow, you know, more airflow. But this one makes it more limited. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Nalagay na natin yung tempered glass sa both sides. Ayan. And lastly, yung bubong guys. So, parang aquarium lang to. So, as I've said, the airflow might be restricted. But, again, pag naka-aircon ka naman, that wouldn't be any problem. And still, there's this little vents sa roofing part niya. Until now, guys, I cannot imagine how will we fit all of this inside this. So, abangan yan sa next video when we will build the dream PC.